How do I change my bag and filters for my R27 Cordless Vacuum from Riccar? Hey, I'm Josh from Riccar, and we're gonna show you how to change these the bag and these filters on your machine. The bag is really quite simple. There's a little gray button on the back of the machine right here. We're gonna push that. It's gonna lift the lid open. Go ahead and take the bag off the post. There's a little carrying handle here. Go dispose of it, toss it in the garbage or whatever. Take the new bag and just drop it down into place. Close it. Your bag is changed. The first filter you're gonna wanna replace is your charcoal filter. This removes from here. You wanna keep this part. Don't throw this part away. Put in your new charcoal filter right here. Slide it back into place. This is your HEPA filter. It sits on the side of the machine here. There's a tab right here you push, release your filter. This is your HEPA filter that you're gonna replace it with. Snap it into place. And now you've changed both the filters and the bag on your Riccar Cordless Vacuum. Happy vacuuming.